this is kind of how I do this. Get the wheel off the bike. First thing you want to do is, you want to pull the valve stems out of your high and low side, and then I like to squirt the tire with some water, or I'm sorry, with some soapy water. Next thing you want to do, get your Raviconda. If you don't have a Raviconda, you can step on this. You can step on it around, but you want to make sure the tire's on the ground on a towel, and you kind of just break the bead loose like that. So if you don't have that Raviconda, that's what you do. All right, this is I'm in no hurry to do this. I just want to do a video for you guys. We're doing a tubeless tire change, so you want to be careful not to catch the liner. This is just how I like to do this. Let's get our spoons. Missing one, probably in here. Yeah. Get our spoons around real quick. Like I said, once you click these in, you'll feel it go past the bead. And then what you want to do is kind of pull it back to lock into the bead. That way you don't get your tubeless system. You come over here. So, all right, and then how I kind of do this is, like I said, push in, pull up, and then you just want to grab them one at a time and just keep coming back. Lost one. If you lose one, put it back in. Let's start over real quick. Put that in, put that in. Sorry about that, guys. Kind of how I do it again, like I was saying. And then just start popping. Make sure you don't have that red liner though. All right, once you have your bead popped, flip the tire over. And then what you want to do is, where the bead's at, push down. All right, kind of messed up, not gonna lie. There we go. And you can, if you come over here, honey, you can see as I push down here, you can watch the bead on the back side break loose. All right, now we're back to the rim lock, so we'll go over here, and then you want to work your way around. All right. Got that side off. Now, I didn't need to flip it, but I just show you guys I got that side off. Flip it back over. Then we want to spray this side as well. A little bit of soapy water. Goes a long ways. I like to go opposite of the rim lock. There we go. And then we're going to want to pull this whole thing off. All right, start here. Let's work it, guys. One. All right. Hi. So this is kind of different how you do this.
Thank you.
You get the tire debeaded off both sides. Then you want to pull this through like so. All done.